We need to simplify the following expression completely. So we have negative 2w to the 8th to the 4th. Notice the parentheses are around this entire expression. So that means negative 2 is to the 4th and w to the 8th is also to the 4th. Okay, so negative 2 to the 4th, well, that's like negative 2 times, in fact, I can write it out. Negative 2 times itself 4 times. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. And the negative times a negative, those are going to be positive. Negative times negative, those are positive. Notice every time it goes, a negative number goes to an even power, that it will become positive because it's like all the negatives have a friend to match up with. Okay, so we'll have a positive 16. Then we need to raise 8 to the 4th power, so that's multiply, so 8 times 4 will get w to the 32. If it's hard to remember that, you can also think of it as writing it out. So we know w to the 8th to the 4th power. That means we're multiplying w to the 8th by itself 4 times. So it's like we have 4 w to the 8ths. And we can see there, if we add all those 8s up, we're going to end up with w to the 32. So that's how you do that one. If you're having a hard time, I would recommend taking the extra step and writing it out like that so that you can kind of see more clearly what's going on.